We're here at Lexus in Brighton for the launch of the new Lexus GS, where once again Crackerjack will be exhibiting their fabulous pyrotechnic and aerotechnic displays. As the guests gather around, the MC announces that the new Lexus is being police escorted from the city to Brighton Lexus. The crowd then diverts its attention to the semi-trailer arriving outside with the sound of explosives and light strobes. As the ramp descends, dry ice, used to create fog, cascades down from the rear of the truck. The crowd is treated to a giant shower of sparks erupting from the ground as the new Lexus GS touches the roadway. The Lexus then makes its way into the showroom, where this time the audience is treated to an aerotechnic explosion in the form of giant balloons spilling confetti and hundreds of small helium balloons up into the ceiling. Meanwhile, on the other side of the room, another explosion is ignited to announce the arrival of the second Lexus GS. The audience is then treated to yet another fine display of fog and fanfare. As you can see, the crowd in here are thrilled with the new car. It's been another successful launch for Lexus, thanks to the help of Crackerjack.